Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make garlic butter shrimp. So let's start. Over here I have clean and de-veined 1 pound of shrimp. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of cajun seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed chilies, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and we are going to mix everything. Turn your heat on medium low. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. We are going to add our seasoned shrimp. They will cook really fast. Flip them over when they change color. Let's make our garlic lemon sauce. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. Tablespoon of chopped onions. 1.5 tablespoon of garlic chopped. And we are going to saute it for 1 minute or so. I'm adding chopped parsley. Our garlic and onion changed color. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And our shrimp are going back into our sauce. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of more butter. Remaining parsley. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe and enjoy.